As they gathered by the designated spot in Berlin, the tension and curiosity were palpable among the participants. The sight of the wall slowly taking shape before their eyes stirred a mix of emotions reminiscent of a bygone era. Some hesitated to approach the wall, while others boldly reached out to feel its rough surface, triggering conversations and debates. As the experiment unfolded, unexpected bonds formed among the participants, transcending the barrier that divided them. The echoes of history seemed to resonate through the Berlin streets, reminding everyone of the importance of unity and understanding.